Alright, welcome back to the channel. It's been a while since you've seen the Friars. We've had a wild off season. I would say happy off season, but it's not been a very good off season for our family. We are car shopping, not for race cars. I told mine. So car shopping, we've had some stressful things happen, but we're back. We're working on race cars. But first, before we get completely started, we're going to throw it back to earlier in the season, not like super early in the season. Dee actually had the chance to drive a mod is what they're called here. So it's a modified. Our friend Jordan, he bought a modified and he said, "Hey Dee, there's a test tune in Charleston. Let's go drive it." And Dee said, "I've never drove a modified." And Jordan said, "Me either. Let's go." So we packed up and we went to Charleston and Dee drove a modified. So here's some footage of that. Got me out here moving race cars around. Just call me the new driver of the 19/111. You got it? We're hooked. Got him. So now we're gonna move this. This is the 19. We're gonna move this to the garage and we're gonna bring Travis's hatch out here, put it in the box for a bit, and then we're gonna do some working, and yeah, we got a lot to do today. This is going in the garage. Hatch is going in the box. He doesn't let me actually drive it. How sad. He thinks I'll ruin it. How lame. Oh! That didn't sound good. Figure that out. We got the dogs out here. It is December, guys. And if anybody knows anything about Illinois, in December it's supposed to be really cold. yeah, that's pretty cool. A couple days after Christmas. All right, so we got this swapped around. What'd you guys do to the hatch?
Body.
Yep, she's got a nice shiny body.
Shiny on the car, so it's matte.
Yeah, nice shiny new
Ready
sheet
for
metal on the
wrap.
side. She's ready to be wrapped. This thing needs some obvious body work.
It's getting a brand new body too. That's next
Oh.
on the agenda.
That's next on the agenda, I guess. Dee, Andrew, Nick, everybody's been hard at work getting that done. Cameron's been here a time or two. So
I traveled in one side with him.
we will work on getting all that done. So the hatch is going in the box, which is also known as our enclosed trailer. We just call it the box. So
Storage unit.
yeah, it's our rolling storage unit in the winter. So yeah, we'll get this done and we'll keep everybody updated on some work. RSX got a new body.
Now we gotta get to the wrap design. Not sure what we're doing there yet.
Sorry about the wind.
Yeah, that's why we're pretty much with the shelf obviously. Gotta figure out what to do there. Go back over obviously.
Little flare. We got our body guy here. He got a little Millie June. He always comes and helps us with the body. Andrew's been helping.
Thanks for both of them. I couldn't do it today
Yeah.
without them, for sure.
So yeah, the hatch now has a new body. RSX has a body. Now what?
Probably go work on Dad's this week. Pulling Dad's motor.
Oh,
Trains.
cool.
Gotta find a training for Dad.
Cool.
I'm happy with that.
Yeah, done. One project off. Now we gotta make it to Mississippi somehow.
That'll look a lot better with
January.
that. When you get that new bumper on there.
Got a new bumper.
That guy comes in. You can find a bumper this year.
Who?
Yeah, I'm getting a red one.
No, you're not.
It's gonna be bright red.
Bright red.
Put a wee woo on top of it.
I'm gonna get something put on it. I'm gonna go wee wee.
What up, guys?
What up, y'all?
Back here in the shop. We got the new Sport Compact bumper we're going to try to put on the RSX. Mo's always the go-to guy to help me do the body stuff. I'm not a sheet metal guy. I'm not very good at it, but he helped me with getting the body on, as you guys will see eventually. And we're going to attempt to put this bumper on the RSX.
Oh, we're going to get it done.
Yeah. It's supposed to be like you don't have to make it narrower in the middle or nothing. It's supposed to go right on, and it's pretty close. So
Yeah, you can definitely tell it's a lot more narrower
yeah,
compared to the other
and
ones.
like that's where it's supposed to be. It's got like a little rib to line it up. So my bad, right there. Not very good at this vlog and stuff yet, but we're gonna put you guys on a time lapse, and hopefully we'll have this on there by the end of the night and see how it looks.
Absolutely.
All right. Wasn't that bad, honestly, and I think it looks pretty good considering that we don't know what we're doing. And honestly, this is such a new bumper, it's kind of a new for everybody, so. All right. So, honestly, I'm really impressed with the fender arches. I figured that was going to be the part we couldn't get really good. It kind of looks a little goofy now, I think, but it'll look better once it gets wrapped and gets the stickers on. And right now, it's really flimsy.
Yeah, you still got to put your mounts on the inside and stuff to hold it.
I haven't done any bars behind it or nothing like that, so it's just kind of temporary there because we got to figure out what we got to do for all the bars on the inside. But I think it looks pretty good. It is different. I mean, I don't think anybody's really used to these yet, but It looks pretty good, I think. That looks really good, this shot. From like the front end of the wheel. So yeah, gotta cut the grill, and I'm sure we're gonna have to cut some ventilation holes for the radiator to breathe, but honestly, pretty good install. Pretty easy.
Brought the hatch home. Bringing the hatch back to Travis's shop. New body on it, looking fancy. All right, let's get this thing unloaded. We got a banquet to get to. So here's a look at the new body on Dee's RSX. Jackson, what do you want to show him? The new nose.
Yeah.
We got a new nose put on it. I'm sure Dee will show a better picture of it.
What's this?
Yeah, that's okay. Dee will get a better video of that, maybe a picture or two. You gonna show them what you got for Christmas? Toto and Andrew. I got it. Toto and Andrew got him that. Jackson thought you guys needed to see it. So yeah, we got the bodies done on that. We have taken Travis's hatch back to him.
Got his RSX.
Got his RSX.
South.
Yep.
What's 2
Oh
weeks
yeah.
away? 2
Surprise everybody. We're going south. We are gonna go south, picking up some cars, dropping off some cars. Me, Jackson, and Tori are going to the beach while everybody else works. Not saying that we will be with Skylar and Austin and all them, but we're going to the beach.
Yeah.
All right, well, I guess the next time you see us, we'll probably be down south where it's warm, because up here it's
Is it
cold.
that much warmer?
I think it's like 30 degrees warmer down there.
That would be nice.
Yeah, it's cold here. We've both been to Colorado, and it was super nice there. At separate times we went. So yeah, we are going to go to the beach, and we're going to see everybody down south, and we're going to switch some race cars around.
Work on some race
Work
cars.
on some race cars. I'm not.
I think there's going to be a new car coming home
Ooh.
for us to finish up, and Mailman's been killing it on it.
Yeah, so we will keep everybody updated. I'm sure Skylar's going to be filming and everybody. So, Jackson, are you ready? Come on. So, we're going to get that done. I think there's a few more things on this that need to be done. Wrap. We got that in the works.
Transmission.
Yep, transmission, because we still have no reverse.
I'm not here.
So, yeah. We'll see you guys next time down south.
High five.